Hey there, welcome to my channel Bioplanet 1 with Mazhar Tahir. In this video, we are going to demystify the Biuret test, a simple yet powerful tool that can help you uncover the secrets of proteins hidden within your food. Whether you're a student, a curious chef, or just someone looking to learn more about the amazing world of science, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the process step by step, explaining the science behind the test and what to look for so you can become a protein detective in no time. But before we dive in, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun science experiments. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what we'll need for this experiment. You'll need a food sample. It can be solid or liquid. Just think of anything you'd like to check for protein content, from milk and eggs to meat and cheese. The possibilities are endless. Next, you'll need Biuret reagent. Don't worry, it's not something you need to prepare yourself. Now let's gather our equipment. You'll need a test tube, a dropper or pipette to measure out the Biuret reagent, and a water bath if you want to give your samples a little warm-up. Before starting the experiment, put on gloves and goggles. Remember, safety first. Sodium hydroxide is caustic, so it's important to protect your skin and eyes. Now let's start. If your food sample is solid, mash it up and mix it with a little bit of water to create a solution or suspension. This will make things easier and more accurate. Then pour the food solution into a test tube. Be careful not to spill any. Next, add about 1 milliliter of Biuret reagent to the sample. You can use a dropper or pipette to do this accurately. Gently shake or mix the test tube to ensure the samples and reagents are well combined. Now let's observe what happens. Wait a few minutes and keep an eye on the mixture. The key thing to look for is any color change, and here's what you should expect. If your food sample contains protein, you'll notice a color change from blue to purple or violet. This is your positive result, indicating that protein has been detected. The intensity of the color can vary depending on the amount of protein present. If there's no color change and the solution remains blue, it means that no protein was detected in your sample. This is your negative result. To make your results even more accurate, compare them to a control sample. This is just water to which you've added the Biuret reagent. It will help you see any color change more clearly. Congratulations, you've now successfully performed the Biuret test. Remember, a positive result means your food sample contains protein, indicated by a color change to purple or violet. A negative result means no protein was detected. If you enjoyed this experiment, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the wonders of science all around you. Thanks for watching.